2, 1. Start.
Very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Nalomar, working as a professor under Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Coimbatore. SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences is a pioneer institution in India. We are providing D.Pharm, B.Pharm and PharmD programs and M.Pharm. I mean PG also we are offering in the pharmaceutical sciences different programs. It's one of the leading institutions in India. I am proud to be a professor under this well-established institution. This is our analytical lab actually. We have well-equipped laboratories. So we are running the PG department, pharmaceutical analysis, M.Pharm in pharmaceutical analysis department. It has funded by more than around 2 crores valuable instruments we are offering for our students PG programs. Today I am going to share my experience and my knowledge, what I learned from pharma industry for past 14 years related to the quality control activities by UV visible spectroscopy. So, in this, quality control was playing a vital role in this pharma industry, any kind of industries, whether it is a small scale industries or a large scale industries. The major two category sectors, okay, we have all the pharmaceutical industry. One is manufacturing, the another one is for quality control. In this quality control, the sophisticated instruments and non-sophisticated instruments, like two category of instruments we are using for the quality control activities. Why we need to do such importance for the QC quality control activities means we need to fulfill or we need to obey the need of major guidelines. So it may be ICH guidelines, International Conference on Harmonization, or WHO guidelines. We need to obey, we need to follow such guidelines, and we need to do the implementation of GLP and GMP activities also in the QC activities. So this pharmaceutical analysis or a quality control area was very wide area. In this, the instrumentation playing vital role actually. In this instrumentation, we have major three category of instruments we are using in the pharmaceutical industries. One is UV, another one is, kind of spectroscopy, another one is chromatography categories, the another one is electrochemical method of analysis. In this spectroscopy, the UV we are using for the purpose of finding the absorbancy. Through absorbancy, we can find out the concentration. Through concentration and dilution factor, we can find out the percentage purity or amount present of given formulation or a new, the marketed brands or API or a bulk product or a finished product. So in this, the UV we are using this Lab India make, okay, we are using. It is highly sophisticated instrument. In this, we are using for this UG level 2 modes, okay, we are using one is photometric mode, another one is spectrum mode. In this photometric mode, we are going to find out the absorbancy of different samples. We have the dissolution samples, so we are performing study related to the drug discovery and those mixing studies we are performing. In this, we are going to perform this photometric based absorbancy we are going to find out. So dear students, if you have any doubt related to the UV, you can ask me.
Sir, what is the major application of UV?
So, very nice question. For this quality control activities, if you want to find out the percentage purity of any formulations, we can use UV visible spectroscopy. So, the such formulations, okay, we have to select suitable solvent. We are preparing for the drug solutions. These solutions form, okay, we will find out the absorbancy with the help of UV spectroscopy. Through absorbancy, we can find out the concentration. Through concentration, after adding dilution factor and everything, we can find out these percentage purity or amount present of different drugs.
So sample cells made of.
Yeah, these samples are made with keywords. I mean, the keywords are we are using as a sample cell. It was made with quartz material actually, and we can use for glass and plastic also. We can use as a sample cell. But when we are using the glass or plastic, it may absorb UV radiations. That is the reason. The intensity of incident radiations, it is not 100% when we are using plastic or glass material. That is the only reason we are using quartz material. The quartz will never absorb UV radiation.
So what are the ranges we have?
We have major two range here. One is UV range 200 to 400 nanometer and visible range about 400 to around 90 nanometer. We are labeling visible range. These are the major two range we have.
So what are the major parts of
Yeah, major part of UV visible spectroscopy. Here we can tell okay, sample cell is playing okay, sample cell and the source of UV. Here the source of UV is it's a major compartment here. Here different types of okay, lamps okay, we are using. The source of UV, next one sample cell, and along with sample cell before and after we are using for different kind of filters. Then detectors okay, we are using, and the amplification and data output. These are the major components of UV visible spectroscopy. I hope this session was very useful for you. Thank you all. Have a nice day.